Hey guys, Jade here. Alright, so the accessories cable or plug for the BMW G310r, I've disconnected it. So it used to be on the main loom, zip tied. I've taken it down and that's it right there, and it just sits where that little bung used to be. That is the power socket. I'll leave the part numbers from BMW in the description. Also, the BMW, well, you don't really have to use the BMW one, but the BMW USB ports. So that just plugs in there. You got two USB ports. Close those up and they're semi-water resistant. Pretty handy if you want to use GPS or a GoPro constantly. Yeah, there you go.